What's up, guys? Just watching the markets right now. It's not going to be a long stream. Got things to do, but we'll go over some stuff, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, guys, this is obviously a short squeeze, right? Short positions pulling back a little bit, so you can keep that in mind. So, guys, I mean, here, let's hop over to Bitstamp. So, if you're looking, guys, you're looking at the volume here, right? You know, the price was just sliding down, right? Price is just sliding down, obviously in this wedge that we've been talking about, which did act as a bullish pattern in the end. But let's see. So, you know, stuck in the wedge, price just sliding down. We snap out of the wedge. But if you're looking at the volume, like at your low point here, guys, like right there, like volume was just horrible and really insignificant at the low. And the fact that we're coming up right now is kind of a red flag to me. It's a red flag to me, the fact that the price is just flying up here based off of like nothing, like no volume here. And if you look at guys, looking at the, let's look at the 15-minute right here. Look. Just out of nowhere, just boom. Obviously a short squeeze, obviously, guys. And to me, it's still like it's not buy volume in the sense of confidence, guys. I still don't see confidence here. But you know, that's just how I see this. I don't see much confidence right now. Could we see shorts continue to get wrecked? I mean, of course, guys, of course. But I don't see all that much confidence still. I think the whales are just eating up these buy orders in here. You know, selling, getting rid of some more positions before lower prices. What's up, everybody? But we'll see. We'll see where this actually ends up getting rejected. The volume is decent, but it's a lot of short squeeze volume. You know, it is causing some excitement right now for sure. But I'm not too confident in this move, to be honest. Again, the stream's not going to be all that long, but Craig is saying we're going to 5,500. Yeah, I mean, Tone Vase said the same thing, but guys, I just highly doubt that we're just going to be like doing this. I just don't think that this is likely at all, guys. Right? I think that's so unlikely. But I could be wrong, guys. Who knows? Who knows? We're getting a continued squeeze here. Looks like we might be. What's up, everybody? I'm not going to be streaming for all that much longer. Again, guys, when you're looking at your chart and all of a sudden it's just like, boom, like the price, like it's like when you don't have that volume at your low point right here, when you don't have that good volume at your low, at the lowest point of the chart, you're missing that volume. To me, it's a red flag. To me, this is a red flag. Like, obviously, it's a short squeeze, and it's, you know, probably not. It's not really fueled by confidence. It's fueled by shorts getting wrecked, right? People just thinking that shorting everywhere is a great idea. But we'll see. We'll see how far this can go. I mean, it's a really interesting move. So we're sitting at, okay, this is interesting. I mean, we're sitting here now. Let's see, one of these levels. So this should be, coming into this area should be a decent amount of resistance. Well, let me refresh. We are still squeezing, guys, still squeezing. Let's see how far she goes. Still squeezing. Whoo! It's like fireworks right now. The shorts getting wrecked is like fireworks. Again, guys, this is why accumulation is great, because I don't have to worry about FOMOing here. What's up, guys? Just watching this squeeze continue on. This is the beginning of our squeeze at the bottom left of your screen here. And right now we are just flying through, guys. Guys, these are like fireworks right now. The short's just blowing up. Andrew B says he went all in last night. Well, that's one hell of a gamble, but I guess it's paying off. Sonny Decrease says we need to push higher for the big squeeze. Short still very high on Bitfinex. What's up, Sonny? What's going on, dude? Thank you for joining in. He says we need to push higher for big squeeze. Short still very high on Bitfinex. Yeah, we need to shake out some shorts. But it's just it makes it harder for the price to move the more shorts you have, obviously. I mean, to the upside it's easy, but I don't know, guys. Like we're back up to almost 3,600 right now. A lot of shorts just got wrecked. Big time. Big time. Everyone say hi to Sunny. Hold on, hold on. I missed some chat here. Yeah, I mean, we could just see another fake out here to the downside. Just a nice red candle possibly. Right? I mean, that's even possible now too, but we'll see. Again, every time the price, I mean, every time we have a short squeeze, more shorts just like pile on. So the sentiment is still very negative. People are still very pissed off at Bitcoin. Just waiting to see how this plays out, guys. We're going to get a continued squeeze. I mean, shorts are you're pulling back. but we'll see. This is the 5-minute chart right now. This will be interesting if it goes red. So we're coming up on a major previous support area, 3,600. That's what we're in right now. So I would expect a heavy resistance, but I mean, short positions, guys, overall, short positions are still just at an insanely high level, right? So you could see, I mean, who knows, guys? You could see an insane squeeze, right? You never know. Longs are mooning, someone says. I mean, guys, this is a result of negative sentiment, right? All the short people just piling, so many people just getting wrecked right now. Everyone was just, people lost so much money on Bitcoin, and they thought that shorting was a great idea. So let's back out and see where we're at. So this is a pretty significant, this area of previous support right here, pretty significant right now. So I would expect a lot of resistance right here. I would expect that. But we could blow through it, I guess. This is going to be a tough one right here. Someone's saying they're glad they bought some Ethereum yesterday. Where is it? Ethereum's back in 97. Wow. This is Bitfinex, so it's at 99. Price is a little different here. So let's see. Still moving? We're in a shorts bubble. Yeah, I mean, definitely. Yes, guys, smash likes if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And notifications on. I didn't have time to turn on my winter sound effect. So let's see how far we go. Again, this area right here is pretty significant. It's probably going to end up being pretty big resistance, I would assume. People are asking, hey, Kev, should we short here? I mean, it's a total gamble, guys. Like, the shorts can still get squeezed a lot. So, Tobias coming in with the 2. Thanks for stream, dude. Thank you so much, Tobias. Oh, we have 400 people watching. Damn. I didn't expect. I was actually about to go to the gym, and I'm like, I guess I'll stream this. Again, guys, we're coming up right here onto major previous support. A lot of excitement caused by the short squeeze. Longs might be coming in hot now. A lot of FOMO probably taking place. A lot of shorts getting wrecked. Let's get some thanks in the chat for Tobias, guys. I mean, I wanted to go to the gym, but I don't know. We'll see. So again, like I was saying, you know, going to be major resistance. We'll see. I think we'll probably pull back from here, but guys, we got wait, hold on. We have 450 people watching and we only have 50 likes. Come on, guys. The DJ says he canceled his gym membership and FOMO'd in. Nice. So again, guys, this area that you're looking at right here is obviously a major previous support area, which is probably going to act as resistance now, which is normally what TA would tell you. You know, is it, you know, also I was talking to this with my patrons. It is possible that like we create something like this now, possibly, and you know, a reversal type pattern, however you want to label it, right? Some sort of reversal pattern could be getting formed here. Possibly. We'll see. This is a prime area to take profits if you haven't, you know, if you're making, you know, big trades. Obviously, I would expect a lot of resistance at this point. I am Swedish, MR, but I can't really speak Swedish that well. I can speak a lot more German. Sanjay says, hi, I'm Indian. What's up? What's up, India? No gym need charts. Never skip the gym. That's true. I'm not going to. I might just be late. I'd be surprised if we kept going up from here, to be honest. I'd be pretty surprised. That'd be one hell of a short squeeze. Guys, it's a short squeeze. People are asking like why the pump? I mean, guys, look at like just like take a look at your volume. Like nothing's happening, and all of a sudden, just at one moment, it's like bam. That's a short squeeze, guys. Yeah, pretty critical resistance point right here. So I would assume we're going to get rejected. I would assume. See what type of volume is taking place on the 1 minute. Not all that much profit taking just yet, but I would assume it's coming. I would assume it's coming. Who knows, though, guys? It could be a pretty epic squeeze. I mean, guys, I don't necessarily think that we have to do. I mean, some of you already saw my video. I don't think we have to have a V shape to create a bottom. I don't think that's necessary. A short squeeze, guys, is when people are either taking their profits or they have like a position on margin and they're hitting their liquidation price and they're forcing to cover or buy back to close their short positions. Guys, short squeeze volume is buy volume essentially. It's just not based on confidence. So let's see. Market is fighting this area right now. I'm surprised we're not pulling back more, but we'll see. I'd be very surprised if we just blew through the area, but I guess it's possible. I'd be so surprised if this happened. Again, we're sitting right here, right? Now we covered this area so fast. That's pretty impressive. Come on, FOMO boys. Wait, did they print more tether or something? Is that what happened? I mean, guys, it's so crazy how easy this market can get manipulated. It's crazy. Like the short positions could, like, certain exchanges could actually can like increase short positions artificially, and then just get some tether and knock those positions out and just like move the market and make insane amounts of money, guys. It's unregulated, so manipulated. It's just incredible, honestly. It's honestly great, though. It's great. I don't want it to be regulated. I would love. I want this. Keep this coming. I mean, guys, we don't know. I don't know. Like the only way that Tether's I think is really going to collapse is if the DOJ or whoever investigates them, FBI investigates them, and finds out something, and goes in there and shuts them down. So we're fighting this resistance point, which is 30 about 3,500 in between 3,550 essentially. And next major resistance is going to be 3,600, 3,630, 3,640. This is like a very significant support zone, guys. Previous support zone. Right? We're gonna have a tough time getting through that. I don't think we will. But I could be wrong. Again, guys, this could also just be a huge fake out as well. We could easily just and I don't even know how we want to draw this, but it's very possible that we just continue down, right? It's what, you know, no matter how much volume we got before, we always turned around. But we'll see, guys. We'll see. It's hard to really make a short-term prediction right now. I'm not too big on short-term predictions, but I guess they're fun to do. You know, so, guys, I got a comment on my video, and someone was like, when I hear the word prediction, I give it a thumbs down. And I'm like, wait a minute. Guys, like whenever you make a trade, whenever you buy something, whenever you sell something, when you make an investment, you're predicting. All of us, we are all predicting, right? When you buy something, you're predicting that it's going to go up at least at some point. When you buy Amazon stock, you have hope and faith that it's going to continue to do well as a company, right? Making a prediction, people are like, Kevin, I hate that you make predictions. I'm like, do you trade? Do you buy? Do you sell? Then you're predicting yourself. You're also predicting. Like, Jesus. When you buy something, you're predicting that that position is going to do well. So don't tell me that I can't predict something, or that I shouldn't, or that it's bad, because we're all predictors here. "24-hour stream." Yeah, it's all about rationality of the predictions. True. Guys, you got to wait for your volume to come in. Again, guys, we're looking at... Guys, if you're sitting here watching these candles flicker around and you're like, oh, I need to buy, I need to short, I need to buy, I need to short, based on like the tiniest movements on the chart, this is why you always get wrecked. You will always get wrecked if you're sitting here making a decision based on like the flicker of a 5-minute candle. Come on, guys. This is why you get wrecked, okay? Guys, if you're trading on leverage and you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose all your money. So it's going to be tough to get through this area, guys. It's going to be tough. I mean, we're also sitting, you know, the price can pull back and, you know, possibly find some support here as well, right? We could be forming some sort of a reversal type pattern, however you want to label it, right? Possible. A possibility, guys. I just don't think. I mean, I could be very wrong. I just don't think this is the bottom based on just the lack of volume here. Like, not that it's needed, but I would like to see a little bit more. I'd like to see a little bit more volume at the low, right? Just a little more, right? Just kind of a red flag to me, guys. Doesn't look too nice. The fact that we don't have all that much volume and we're just launching up here, I don't know. But again, guys, if you're accumulating, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't even have to care. Just watch the show. Like, it's fine. I mean, the people that sit there and buy and sell all day long, they're all freaking out right now. I'm going to miss it. Oh, my God. And then they FOMO in here, and then they just get wrecked. Like, or they short here, and then they just get wrecked. Like, guys, pigs get slaughtered in this market. Pigs get slaughtered. Crypto Army News is 85% down from the highs. I would like to see 90%, to be honest. If you're just getting too greedy and you're just shorting at the bottom and getting wrecked on the way up and buying at the top and getting wrecked on the way down, I mean, you're what we would call a pig. Sorry if I offended you with that statement, but you got to learn. Someone's got to be honest. Someone's got to tell you the harsh truth. I'm surprised we're not getting more selling here. It could be sellers could be exhausted, possibly. Yeah, look at that. Look at that 12-hour boner candle right there. There you go. I mean, if you're looking at the volume, I mean, we could get some nice continuation here. You're still getting this overall kind of a decrease. Even with this here, it's still overall kind of a decrease. This is fueled by, shorts covering, short squeeze. It's still overall mostly a decrease in volume, right? It's still not any major shift taking place just yet, but it's close. It is close, guys. Things can change, but it's close. We'll see, right? I mean, overall, it's still just, right? And again, I would assume that we're going to get rejected here. I just don't think we're just going to blow right through it, but who knows? Yeah, I mean, we might be forming something like this now. We might just trade into this channel here, something like that. But again, not as much selling here as I would think there would be. Not yet. That could change real fast, but I don't know what a Cantory name is. What is that, Sanjay? I'm not sure what a Cantory name is. Alvin says, "Wake me up when we're going to the moon." No one's gonna, guys. No one's gonna do this for you. You can't just look at what someone's doing and do what they're doing and hope that that's the right thing to do. You gotta do your own research, guys. What's up, Shane? I'm glad you enjoy the streams. Again, guys, I'm just hitting a vape. I don't think that matters, right? Oh, this guy's hitting a vape. He must know nothing. He must know nothing. Okay. The great noob squeeze of 2018. Yes. The triggering. The great noob squeeze. It's so true. Somebody is shilling me on Tone Vays' streams? I don't know. It could be due to Tone Vays taking a screenshot of a tweet I sent him and trying to make me look like a fool, and in return I made him look like a fool, but it could be that. If you go to my Twitter link, just scroll down a little bit, you'll see. Yeah, guys, there's a new feature on the Natter Ledger. What's up, Ali Khan, Chris Rock, Mark Wrigley, what's up, guys? Guys, I watch all of Tone Vays' stuff. I have nothing against him. I just like to mess with him because he messed with me, I mess with him. It's fine. He's great. Tone Vays is great, guys. I watch him. He's great. All right, let's see if we can get through resistance here. Market is fighting this area right now. Are we just going to continue down on the channel? Probably. Let's see, where are we at right now? Back to 114 billion. 24-hour volume is 14.5 billion. Everything's doing the same thing as usual. Total speculation. Digibyte holders are probably freaking out right now, up 20%. EOS also up 24%. Man, EOS has some insane volatility. Bam. Guys, there's a link in the description. It's called Crypto Watch. There's a link. You click on that link called Crypto Watch. You can use this for free. It's just a free website you can use. Someone said, "Is today all-time high anniversary?" I think I saw something like that. Was that Sunny Decrease video? No, whose video was that? Somebody was saying that. I don't know if is this the anniversary? I don't think it's the anniversary. No. Forget who said that. This is a really interesting week. You know, weekly candle just went green. Three days also green. It's one hell of a daily candle right there. But again, you know, this is going to be pretty major resistance right here, guys. We're probably I would assume we're going to be playing into this range again. But we will see, guys. We will see. Moon boys are back, yes. I'm assuming the shorts are piling on again. The shorts are just making it, all these noobs taking short positions are just making it so easy for the market makers to manipulate the crap out of this, guys. It's too easy for them now. I mean, taking a short position here is better than taking a short position down here, obviously, but it's just so unpredictable right now. Guys, Kirby can't be getting wrecked. He's been shorting like Kirby's been shorting like this whole he's good, guys. He's good to go. We'll probably get some sideways trading from here. What happens after that, I'm not too sure, but I'm assuming we'll get some sideways trading now. Joel says by tomorrow morning Bitcoin will hit 20K. Is that even possible? The only way that would be possible is if Trump put out a tweet that said, "I love Bitcoin, everyone buy Bitcoin." Then that would probably happen. Guys, I'm probably not going to stream all that much longer. We're kind of just going sideways now. I need to go to the gym, guys. I mean, when I come back, if we're still doing something, I'll go live again. People are saying moon soon. Guys, if you're buying here, coming into my chat screaming moon, moon, I don't know what to tell you. It's really easy to tell what side of the market people are on when they come in the chat and they're like, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, this is gonna happen, that's gonna happen. I'm like, well, it's pretty easy to see what side you're on right now. Well, guys, I'm not saying we can't. I'm not saying we can't moon. I'm just like, people think that if they come into a chat and say something, it's gonna like do something to the market. It's like, come on. Sorry, I probably missed a lot of things in chat. Kevin Moonson. Tom Lee was not correct, guys. Tom Lee said we were going to hit 15K by December. I mean, guys, like, wait, let's just look at what happened here. We went from 3,240 to 3,530. I mean, yeah, it's a nice percentage gain, don't get me wrong, but it's not like we're up like, I don't know, $300. We go up $300 and people are like, Tom Lee was right. It's like, no, he's not. He's always wrong, guys. Tom Lee is always wrong. Always. It's a nice looking weekly candle, though. It is. But we'll see. Guys, I just think overall that the selling pressure is just a little too strong. And still, I think we'll probably get a reversal candle of some kind. Just it might be minor. It might be minor, but I would assume that something like this would come in soon. I mean, it would, you know, could we sit here for a bit and bottom out here? Yeah, I guess so, but I would assume that we're going to get some sort of reversal soon, but I could be wrong. It's just, believe it or not, guys, the selling pressure is still very present. It is slowed down a little bit, but guys, especially if you had a lot of people sitting on the sidelines and they see this happen and they start FOMOing in, well, now you have a whole new round of selling pressure after that. Because those people that were FOMO'd in here are going to be selling here, right? I don't, Tharashin's son, I don't really see that. I don't know, guys. I think we'll probably have, my guess is that we're going to have a major shakeout below the 200 weekly, or 200 SMA on the weekly. I think we're probably going to have a major shakeout down here, and then, you know, we'll consolidate here. However it's going to happen, right? And again, my estimation is that spring of 2020, which is right, you know, or I guess is right here, is when we would be coming back up. That's just my guess, guys. So, you know, there is time in between, but it's not that far away. If you think about it, guys, it's not really that far away. I would be very surprised if we just got a huge pull. I don't see this happening. A lot of people are thinking we're going to come back to 5,800 and then come down again. I mean, yeah, I guess this is possible. I just don't think so. I mean, at this point now, we could be coming back up to one of these levels just to retest it. But like, I don't know, guys, coming back up to the yearly low, I don't think so. I honestly don't even think we're going to get back above 60 or 36.30. I don't think we're going to get above that. I think we'll pull back soon. Again, short squeeze volume is not buy volume in the sense of confidence. It's people either taking profits or getting wrecked. So you know, we had similar moves before, pretty similar things happening before, like right here. We might just end up getting something similar here where, you know, maybe we come up a little bit more. You know, horrible drawing, but just a continuation, you know? I think this right here, in my opinion, is the more likely scenario. Whoops. We could come up a little bit more. I think we're going to get rejected at this area here, and probably pull back again. But we'll see. Once we get, I mean, if this is correct, I could be totally wrong, guys. If this is correct, we'll see what happens as we come back to the bottom here. We'll see what kind of volume comes in at this area, right? I'm still expecting lower prices, but there is a chance for a continued short squeeze. I just think this is the more likely scenario right here. What's up, William? Sorry, I probably just missed a ton of chat when I was doing that explanation. I personally see this as the more likely scenario, guys. We're just going to get rejected and pull back, similar to the things we've seen here, right? I mean, if you look at it, guys, it's all very similar. It's all very similar. I think we're going to probably get something similar here. And it looks like if we move in, we're getting a little bit of rejection here. Let me refresh. Yeah, I don't think this pump is going to continue. I could be wrong. What's up, Annie? Yeah, getting a nice reversal candle on the 1 hour now. Great profit zone for a lot of people trading this. Ellie back, coming in with the 5s, and thanks for the analysis. Always keep it up. Ellie, or Eli, sorry, I'm really bad at pronouncing names. Eli. I'm guessing it's Eli. Eli, thank you for the 5. And I appreciate the comment, guys. Let's get some thanks in the chat for Eli. Yeah, guys, based on volume here, I mean, we could, you know, the thing is, it looked like this before. It looked like this before. So I guess technically it could just be a continuation, but 3,600 is really big resistance. I think we're probably going to pull back from here. But that is just my opinion, guys. It's just overall, the selling pressure is still present, guys. It's still present. You know, it's just way too much downside pressure here, guys. It's just really hard for me to believe that we would just be going up from here. I don't think so. $3,600, guys, is, I mean, it looks like we got rejected almost right off of it. Like I was saying earlier, guys, I mean, this is just major resistance. Just major. We'll probably hang out down here for a bit, but we'll see. I mean, it's starting to stabilize a little bit here, but it's still overall a decrease, right? In general. But it's getting close. Someone said stocks are down. How do I even use this? Okay. I like hardly use TradingView. Oh, wow. Dow Jones is coming down. So this is, it's getting critical, guys, for traditional markets. Getting critical. It needs to hold that. I love looking at the Dow Jones just from a larger scale. Looking back at the roaring 20s. The credit bubble, right? The baby boomers. I mean, it's like we're I just think we can at least pull back to about, you know, Dow Jones 17,000. I'm thinking 17,000 is very possible right now, just based off of like everything you see. Sorry, guys, just went off. Yeah, I think we're gonna trade sideways here. I got to go to the gym, guys. I can't. I don't want to stream where we're just going sideways. I know you guys like to have me just here, but I don't want to waste my time too much right now. Unless we just pump and I can't leave. Let's just fly out of here and then I'll be streaming for another 5 hours. Yeah, I'll stream on my phone and I'll be like, "Yo, guys, what's Bitcoin's price at?" Oh my God, a continued squeeze. It's probably a fake out. Rico S, what's up, dude? Checking back in when crash. I think I don't know, guys. I don't think that this is really gonna continue on that much longer. Even if we hang out up here, we'll probably just continue to get rejected and then eventually fall. Guys, I've been streaming for over an hour now. It's going to be a shorter stream today, but smash the likes if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you would like to, I was a little bit late today on this, but you know I still went live. But we got to see part of this, I think. When isn't McAfee buying? He's always buying. Guys, like Raphael says, Novogratz wrote that we bottomed out. Guys, Novogratz said that we bottomed out at 6K. Novogratz is an idiot, guys. He's wrong. Like Tom Lee, wrong. Mike Novogratz, wrong. John McAfee, wrong. I love John McAfee, but all these Bitcoin people, they'll just tell you that it's always going up. They'll never, guys, do you really think that the people who own these big institutions are going to be like, yeah, I think the price is going to drop dramatically? Of course not. Of course not, guys. You can't trust these people. Cannot trust Mike Novogratz. The guy is just bad. Tom Lee can't predict anything either. Yeah, I told John McAfee to send me some campaign signs. I'd put up some signs for him. Yeah, guys, time to work out. I don't know. Maybe we continue to pump. I don't think so. I think we'll probably volume's not really that great. We'll see, guys. I mean, the thing about my situation is, since I'm accumulating, I don't really care, guys. Like, if this thing just launches up, that's great. I'll take that ride. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm just joking. But I'm just saying, like, if this thing has a nice pump, that's fine. Great. I'm making money. But I don't need to FOMO in here. I don't need to FOMO into this. I don't care. I'm already good. If we fly out of here, I'm good. If we go lower, I'm buying more. I'm comfortable right now, guys. I feel good. So we'll see how this plays out, guys. I need to go to the gym. I need to be making gains in some way or another, as Sunny Decrease says. Yeah, it looks like we're getting some rejection. Could we continue? Absolutely, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. Smash the likes, damn it. Someone says. How much do I bench? It's a 45-pound bar. I don't really keep track. It's a 45-pound bar with 245 and then two 25-pound weights. I don't know how much that is. 45-pound bar, 245, 225. And I do that like 3 times. That's I do a pyramid workout where I start off with high weight, and then every time I do a set, I bring down the weight so that I can, it's just better to do it that way. You want to start off with more weight and go down. Don't start off with low weight and go up. It's harder to do that. You're working against yourself if you're doing that. Svensson, I'm benching 2,500 Bitcoin. Yep. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go to the gym. I'll be back later, obviously. My eyes are glued to this. So if we get a continued push here, I'll go live again. It is possible at this point. It's going to be hard to get through this. We still got room to come up and touch this resistance. I think we still got room to come up and touch this before a major rejection. But we'll see, guys. We will see. There's still a lot of shorts that can get wrecked here. I still think that ultimately, guys, we're going to be seeing some lower prices. No matter what happens here, I think ultimately we're going to be seeing some lower prices still. But I could be wrong, guys. We'll see. Do 16 sets so I won't be able to go through my door. Yeah. You guys want me to start a gym channel? That'd be weird. Cookie recipes? Grandma's cookies? Sure. I'll do a TA and workout stream where every time Bitcoin pumps, I do another set. Yeah, Craig is saying you are right. We'll see some lower prices, but not right now. Yeah, Craig, I just don't think that we're going to come back up to 5,800. I think that's very, very wishful thinking. I know you were saying that earlier. I think it's very wishful thinking. I mean, guys, I think we could play anywhere up into here right now. I think right now this is our range of possibility. Right? I don't think we're going to get above that, which is what, 4,200. I don't think we'll get above 4,200, but I could be wrong. I personally don't even think we'll get above 3630. I think we got room to move up here, but I think we'll probably get rejected right there. But we'll see, guys. I mean, you know, if previous resistance starts becoming support, things can change, but we'll find out. Yeah, I mean, you guys pretty much know what I think at this point. I'm still looking out for that $2,500 price range. Rich says, have a smoke instead of a workout. This sounds like a horrible idea. All right, guys, if we continue doing stuff, Bernard, I agree. If we continue doing stuff, guys, like when I come back, then sure, I'll go live again. But for now, enjoy the show, enjoy the fireworks, the shorts exploding. Again, guys, I like to leave you guys a little wisdom at the end, and that is trade smart or don't trade at all. And remember that good trading opportunities are like trains. There's always another one coming. So there's no reason to go out of emotion and do dumb things with emotion, guys. There's always another opportunity coming at some point or another. There's no such thing as missing out, guys. There will always be another opportunity. There's no such thing as missing out, guys. Just remember how all of the people were like, man, I wish I could buy a $3,000 Bitcoin. Like when people were up here, they were just wishing they could buy a $3,000 Bitcoin. Well, be careful what you wish for, because there you go. All right, guys, trade smart, don't trade at all. Trading opportunities are like trains. There's always another one coming, so stay patient, guys. I will see you guys all very soon. Thank you guys so much.